Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so nothing interrupts the process. Charge above 20% and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open settings and go straight to apps. Identify the ad-heavy apps by recent pop-ups and high background activity and note their names. Make a quick backup of contacts and any important files because you will change permissions and possibly uninstall components. This prevents data loss and gives you confidence to proceed. Now move to managing notifications and permissions. Now you remove ad delivery tools by disabling permissions and notifications. You go into each offending app, tap notifications, and block or set low importance so pop-ups stop appearing. Next, revoke draw over other apps and modify system settings. These allow intrusive overlays. Turn off background data to stop push ads, and if the app shipped with the phone, consider uninstalling updates to revert to a less intrusive version. Once done, restart the phone to ensure the changes take effect and finish with a cleanup and a clear troubleshooting path. You clear cache and data for apps that showed ads because cached scripts can retrigger pop-ups. Consider a reputable ad blocker or DNS-level blocker app to filter ads system-wide. Make sure you choose a trusted provider. If intrusive ads persist, perform a factory reset after a full backup because firmware or pre-installed carriers might inject ads. One key tip: if a reset fails, contact the vendor. Some carriers ship firmware with ads that require official removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.